waiting for your modern Messiah. Take away all the hatred, darkens the light in your eyes, and I'm still awaiting mine. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm so sorry for everything I done. I miss you so much I could cry, but I guess all that's left to do is say goodbye. Time to move on, no point in dragging this on, but the memory of you is too much to bear. Your big beautiful eyes, your gorgeous hair. I miss you so much, but I know you don't care. You mean everything to me. I miss you so much, but I know you can't see. Now, baby, why can't you see? You will always mean everything to me. I started to cry. Why does everyone gotta leave or say goodbye? Baby, let's just agree to never say goodbye. Baby, this is your lullaby. All the places I have been, ain't none of them don't mean a damn thing. I guess I gotta start all over again. This endless struggle will never end. I started to cry. Why does everyone gotta leave or say goodbye? Baby, this is your infinite lullaby. My unconditional love lives for eternity. This is your infinite unconditional love, biblical prophecy that I am spitting infinitely, singing infinitely. The start I started to cry. Why does everyone gotta leave or say goodbye? Baby, let's just agree to never say goodbye. Baby, this is your lullaby, waiting for your modern Messiah. Take away all the hatred, darkens the light in your eyes, and I'm still awaiting mine. Put love above all, maybe at the end of time, love will be resurrected again, like the infinite biblical prophecy says.